Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Debugging multi-threaded Python applications can be a challenging task, but with the right tools and techniques, you can simplify the process. Wing IDE is a powerful integrated development environment that provides excellent support for debugging Python code, including multi-threaded applications. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of debugging a multi-threaded Python application using Wing IDE, complete with code examples. Before you start, make sure you have the following in place: Python and Wing IDE. Install Python and Wing IDE on your machine. Basic knowledge of Python: you should be familiar with Python and its concepts. Multi-threading in Python: understanding the basics of Python's threading module will be helpful. Let's start with a simple example of a multi-threaded Python application. In this example, we'll create a Python script that spawns two threads to perform concurrent tasks. We'll then use Wing IDE to debug the application. Create a Python script named multi_thread_debug.py with the following code. This script creates two threads that run the thread underscore function, which simulates some work. Now, let's set up debugging with Wing IDE. Open your project, open Wing IDE and open your multi_thread_debug.py script. Set breakpoints: click in the left margin of the code editor to set breakpoints at the lines where you want to pause the execution for debugging. Debug configuration: in Wing IDE, go to the debug menu and select configure. Ensure that the multi-threaded debugging option is enabled. Start debugging: click the debug button or press F5 to start debugging. Debugger panel: the debugger panel will appear, showing you the current state of your threads and the call stack. Interact with threads: you can switch between threads, step through the code, and inspect variables just like you would in single-threaded debugging.